Hello. Today's and kind of started this car yesterday. I didn't really take a video, but took some pictures before I tore it all apart. And I mean, tore it all apart. It's an '05 GTO. God, it's in such great shape. It's a Lingenfelter edition. Beautiful, beautiful car. Can't wait to go take it for a test drive. Got all my wires ran. They actually stuck the fuel tank right in there. It's interesting. I guess you can keep the car nice and low with the fuel tank back there, but we'll remove the rear 6.5 subwoofers that they used in the Blaupunk system. We're just leave those out and let the bass flow through. I just want to show a quick video of the rear speakers. Got a couple of 6.5. We're putting some Fosgates in here. Woofer tweeter combo, some separates. You might be wondering why I didn't dynamat the entire inner door. Well, one, I don't have enough of it. The customer provided me all this equipment. But two, I don't need it. I actually built a pod out of the dynamat. So those speakers are actually fully enclosed, kind of in their own little cocoon, I guess. Just wanted to show those kind of pictures. You know, they're pictures. They don't really explain much. But next we'll be dynamating the top lid there just to give a little extra vibration resistance. The seats that go in the back of this thing are pretty plush. I'm pretty sure that that back portion isn't going to rattle at all. I mean, that's some thick that's some thick seats there, so we're not too worried about that. Got a set of same speakers going in the front doors here. I'll be doing those probably last. No need to put more interior panels outside of the car at this point. So got head unit out. We put in a Kenwood satellite radio. The antenna sitting here on top of the car. Got it, ran down, tucked in the seal there. What else? Got the zero gauge. He provided me with a Rockford Fosgate kit, zero gauge kit, but didn't have enough. There's no good spot to run it through the firewall on this side, but there's a nice factory grommet for something that wasn't being used that I was able to poke a hole through and use that. So had to use some of my own Flow series surge wiring. So true zero gauge. Nice bundle there. So we got to make a mount to go right there for the circuit breaker, and then yeah, be about it. This is like a $30,000 or $40,000 vehicle, and for a Pontiac, that's pretty expensive. It definitely, they put money in the motor and the styling and everything. I mean, it kind of doesn't really stand out as a flashy car, but geez, they invested that extra money. You know what it got you is a whole bunch of screws. This thing, that's just for the trim. All this trim is not snap down. It is every bit of hardware. There's not a single snap in there. So I'll be posting more videos, or maybe edit this one later to add on the finished product, and we'll be sound testing and setting it up. We're putting in some Rockford amps. We got the 1200.1, and below this is the 440 4D. So 4-channel and a sub amp, and that's what's going in there. A couple of P3s in a Rockford box. I'm going to be pulling the carpet off of the face of it anyways and recarpeting it to match my amp rack that's going to go on the top of it, because those subs take up every last bit of what's left in this trunk for space. So the carpet that I have actually matches the factory carpet better, so we'll be redoing all that. But that's it for now. We'll get back later.